Windows keyboard shortcut keys will help in work faster and simpler, whereas using a mouse will take number of clicks and consume more time. Although keeping shortcut keys in mind and performing it on the right time will be mind-blowing, it is not so important to memorize all the shortcuts available. Figuring out which one is important and help to improve the work is need for everyone. So in this Windows 10 keyboard guide, I will show you the most important and useful keyboard shortcuts to improve your user experience. So let's begin. If you want to minimize all the files and folders and access desktop icons quickly, then use Windows plus D. If you want to go back to the same page, then press it again. Moving on to the next, if you are using File Explorer and want to go back, then use Alt plus left arrow. And if you want to go forward, then press Alt plus right arrow. Now if you want to switch between all the open apps and folders, then hold Alt and press tab to switch between multiple apps or folders. If you want to resize the start menu, then by pressing Ctrl plus up or down arrow key will increase or decrease the size of it. Before I move to the next, I would like to tell you more than 90% of the people who are watching videos are not subscribing the channel. If not, at least a comment or like to this video would be appreciated. Moving on to the next, if you want to quickly access or change some settings, then pressing Windows plus I will open Settings app. Moving on to the next. If you want to zoom into that page to do that investigation, then Windows and plus sign will turn on the magnifier. By clicking it again and again will zoom in, and by pressing Windows plus minus will zoom out. If you no longer need magnifier, then Windows plus escape will turn off the magnifier. Moving on to the next. The other way of using the zoom in and zoom out is by pressing Ctrl plus Alt and mouse scroll wheel, which helps in zoom in and zoom out. Moving on to the next. If any of your keyboard key is not working or been smashed by playing games like Getting Over It, then by pressing Windows plus Ctrl plus O will turn on the screen keyboard. Moving on to the next. Game bar keyboard shortcuts. By pressing Windows plus G will open a game bar. While on game bar, if you are planning to record a movement or share it with your friends or to upload it on YouTube, then by pressing Windows plus Alt plus R will start recording, or by pressing it again will stop recording. If you are willing to record microphone while recording the video, then by pressing Windows plus Alt plus M will turn the microphone on, and to stop recording the audio press it again. Now if you are planning to stream from your PC, then Windows plus Alt plus B will help in start or stop from streaming using Windows game bar. If you want to show camera during streaming, then Windows plus Alt plus W will switch on the camera, and using the same key will switch off the camera. Now if you want your important application running in the background and no one access your computer while you are on break, then Windows plus L will lock your PC. Moving on to the last. I think most of them know this. Pressing Alt plus F4 will close down the folder or a document. But if you want to put your PC into sleep, restart or shut down using keyboard, then press Alt plus F4 on desktop will open shutdown window. Also you get option to put PC into sleep or restart. Now select middle option and click OK will shut down your PC. All the shortcuts that I have shown are for Windows PC. Let me know in the comment section which shortcut key that you use most and have missed. If you found this video helpful, please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, would be highly appreciated. Thanks for watching.